Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Devil Pitchfork is probably one of the most iconic and surprisingly versatile accessories you can own, whether you're aiming for the ultimate Halloween costume, a theatrical prop, or simply a unique decorative piece that sparks conversation and adds a touch of mischievous charm to any setting, making it essential to choose one that truly stands out in both quality and design. Number 5. Tipsy Elves Halloween Earrings. Get ready to complete your festive ensemble with these must-have items. They are designed specifically for the spookiest night of the year. Add a touch of whimsy and personality to your outfit. These accessories are perfect for showcasing your fun side. Embrace the eerie spirit of Halloween with their delightfully spooky designs. They'll help you stand out in any haunted gathering. Whether you're dressing up as a witch, ghost, or something entirely unique, these will complement any Halloween costume. They are the ideal finishing touch. Designed for women who love to celebrate Halloween in style, they offer both fun and fright. Make your costume unforgettable this year. What we like. These are the perfect subtle touch for your Halloween ensemble. They offer a unique way to add festive flair without a full costume. If you're looking for a fun, spooky accessory to complete your look, these are an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. RUBIE'S Devil Pitchfork Costume Accessory 8123. Transform your look with this iconic accessory. It's perfect for adding a mischievous touch to any costume. This pitchfork features a striking multicolored design. Its unique hues ensure you stand out in any crowd. Complete your devilish ensemble effortlessly. It's the ideal prop for Halloween, parties, or theatrical performances. Crafted for comfort and longevity, it's easy to carry all night long. You'll appreciate its sturdy yet light construction. From a trusted name in costumes, you can rely on its quality. They ensure a fun and safe experience for all users. Specifically designed as Model 8123, it guarantees authenticity. This accessory is ready to elevate your costume game. What we like. This accessory stands out with its vibrant, multicolored design, adding an extra pop to your devilish costume. It's lightweight and easy to wield, enhancing your character's presence. If you want a visually striking and fun prop for your devil costume, this is the one to pick. What people say. Number 3. VNIMTI Pitchfork for Gardening, 5 Tine, 58 inches. Crafted from high-carbon steel, its head is incredibly tough, resisting breaks and bends. A rust-resistant coating ensures this tool will serve you reliably for years to come. Its thickened fiberglass handle is both lightweight and exceptionally strong. 2 non-slip grips provide a comfortable, firm hold, giving you excellent leverage for any task. The head and handle feature a double reinforced connection, ensuring superior durability. This robust design allows it to withstand heavy pressure and harsh conditions, making it your most reliable garden companion. At 58 inches, its ideal length is perfect for adults. This thoughtful sizing helps reduce back strain during prolonged use, allowing you to work more efficiently and comfortably. Its 5 sharp tines easily penetrate soil for loosening and digging. You can also use it for moving manure, straw, mulch, hay, and grain bales, making it incredibly versatile for various tasks. What we like. This robust tool is engineered for serious outdoor tasks, featuring high-carbon steel and a double reinforced connection for durability. Its 58-inch fiberglass handle provides excellent leverage and reduces back strain during long use. If you need a reliable, heavy-duty pitchfork for extensive gardening, farming, or landscaping work, this is your ideal companion. What people say. Number 2. Disguise Men's Pitchfork. Ready to complete your devilish look? This accessory is the perfect finishing touch for any costume requiring a touch of the underworld. Whether you're dressing as a devil, a farmer, or something more sinister, it adds authenticity to your character. It's designed to make your costume stand out. Crafted for comfort and longevity, it's easy to carry throughout your event. You won't even notice you're holding it, allowing you to focus on the fun. Ideal for Halloween parties, theatrical productions, or themed events. It's a versatile prop that enhances any spooky or playful ensemble. Don't let your costume be incomplete. Grab this essential prop and transform into your chosen persona with ease and style. What we like. This classic prop offers a straightforward design, making it a versatile addition to various costume themes. It's lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for a night of trick-or-treating or a costume party. If you're looking for a basic, no-fuss pitchfork to complete a simple costume, this one gets the job done effectively. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per instructions. Number 1. Terrifying brown pitchfork. Get ready to transform your Halloween experience. This accessory is designed to bring your spooky visions to life, whether for costumes or decor. You receive one high-quality item, ensuring great value without needing to buy more. It's an affordable way to enhance your Halloween. This pitchfork balances practicality with style. It's easy to carry, yet makes a bold statement for your costume or home. Crafted from durable materials, it's an authentic accessory that will withstand the test of time. You can rely on its quality for many Halloweens to come. Elevate your Halloween game with its lifelike appearance. It's the ideal companion to complete your spooky costumes and haunted house decor. Caring for it is simple, just spot clean when needed. This allows you to focus on creating lasting spooky memories, not complicated upkeep. What we like. This accessory boasts a lifelike and authentic design, making it incredibly effective for spooky costumes and haunted house decor. Crafted from durable materials, it's built to last through many Halloween seasons. If you want a highly realistic and long-lasting prop to truly elevate your scary aesthetic, this is the perfect choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.